Blogger is easy to use for beginners. Just sign up with a Google account, choose a template, and publish instantly. WordPress, especially self-hosted, requires more technical knowledge, including domain purchasing and hosting setup. Both platforms support basic SEO, but WordPress excels with plugins like Yoast SEO for keyword optimization, sitemaps, and schema markup, leading to higher search rankings. Blogger offers built-in SEO tools integrated with Google Search Console, but lacks deep customization. Both allow AdSense, but WordPress supports diverse monetization like WooCommerce for e-commerce, affiliate links, and premium memberships. Blogger is primarily ad-focused with limitations on third-party integrations. Blogger is completely free but ties blogs to Google with risks of platform changes. WordPress offers full ownership and control with costs ranging from free with ads on WP.com to premium options or self-hosted solutions.